Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up Fantasy World, you know, me just there, you know, just a go on, all our vibes and just a go on easy, you know. I do some research and, you see me, big up to the people them out there, you see me. One love, peace and unity, love to all, man. Right now, me I think so wouldn't it be good for all of the people in the Caribbean, the whole of the Caribbean country and them thing they know. Just start come together, you know. Yeah, man, all of the people them out in the YouTube space, yeah. Everybody remember, so we're not even there on our own space, yeah? It's like we're there on shaky ground, bridging, so everybody just wall on the foot, yeah? Just like how we're in a government land and I'm on a rent house, don't bother fees at your house, yeah? So even though we're there on that page, yeah, it's still parented by the founders and the CEO of YouTube, you know? Just want to put that out there still. Let's go on here some Vybz Kartel still, cause anytime successful people, you know what I mean, fall in a trap with Satan said for them, they burn me, you know, so I'm just go on here some Kartel and go on easy out myself and, you know what I mean, go and reminisce, you see me, cause I'm bad. And at the same time, I just go and reflect, say, boy, wouldn't it be all good if all our sisters and brothers doing what we do can put away with differences and just get on with it, you know? Cause, John, no, we don't really want to look too bad in front of everybody, you know? So sometimes people see me come on and blah, and I talk. I'm excited, you know, because I love doing what I do, you know? I love it, man. I really do, you know? John. So in saying those things that I begin with at first, you know, I just want to say thank you to all of the people that come over to my channel. You know, I just keep it real, you know. I'm trying not to be boring. You understand? So I just one of them things there. You see me about just shout out to my people, you know, and unification we say, you know. In everything what we do, unification, you know. The thing need a bit more unity out there, you see me? So even though all of the people from Jamaica descend, say on a YouTube space and from a Caribbean descent, we should all in a one ball. I know so we say everything to the world, you know, but it would be nice if we come together on a platform as, you know, as a social media, just like how we come together as a platform, say, boy, we make a genre, make reggae music, or we make something named dancehall or ska, or them things, you know, because unless we come together as a body, what we achieve now in the new era, you know what I mean, it's just gonna end up just being like enough of the things in the old era that people take just full advantage of, you know what I mean, so, and people feel like, you know what I mean, people from abroad are take with music, nobody can take with nothing, bridging. You understand, we build the thing, all we have to just continue building the thing. You understand, so that's my real talk corner, this, just to my subscribers and my people mainly, you know what I mean, so you don't know, big up on yourself out there, you see me, put on the fighting and the foolishness, you see me. If your favorite musician out there and they might make lyrics and a bad man lyrics, now watch your face, man, a bad man lyrics might make, you know, if I did really know, he couldn't make it to the studio, he would have breaking his body. You understand, if you mean so bad, you understand, there would be a bad man who want quash that. Everybody know badness set, you see me, so big up on yourself, y'all people, you see me, there's some real talk section, you see me, just like a unity we are talking about, you see me, yeah man, so, and in closing the show, you know what I mean, just want to big up Janine still, you know what I mean, Empress Janine, I do really good, she do one tune named Avocado, I like that tune Avocado, but a new name, them two tune up on top of my list, because I love when a man sing song to me as a man, you know, so big up yourself, Janine, go forward, conquer place, mash ground, dust road, mash up road, new name, Empress Janine, Honorable, that one there, but anybody wanna listen to new name or Avocado, new name for the man them, Avocado for the girl them, but me as a man, I like listen when woman make lyrics or how the man make them feel. So big up yourself, Janine, big up Empress, you understand, big up the whole movement, you understand, big up Savannah same way, big up Toy same way, you don't know, big up on yourself, Empress out there, you know what I mean, I shall do individual shows on each one, you understand, so over and out for now, little update, you understand, like a real talk corner with my people, them, bless up, over and out, yeah, blessed to all of the Empress, them, keep making the music, one new tune, just drop a road for Janine, tune hot, check out Janine latest tune, me not even give away nothing on this, go man, they call hardcore, yeah, you see me, so yeah, you know what I mean, so yeah, boom, over and out, Fantasy World, subscribe if you want to subscribe, like if you want to like, share if you want to share, if you think it's interesting, and it's a topic that your friend might like, share it, and if you have a channel and you want me to subscribe, let me know, you understand, chuck me hard and I chuck you hard, you know what I mean, you know, one good favor deserves the next, you know, so God be with you all, Jah be with you all, Selassie, Jah, Rastafari, over and out, one of them chill ones now, yeah, bless up, over and out, bless.